A rich cashew nut sauce with smoky notes gives this butter chicken recipe an authentic flavor profile. I'm going to add my cashews to the pan to give them a slight toast. First we begin by adding ghee to our pan. Our pan at this stage needs to be on a medium heat. To this, let's go in with our whole spices. We're adding in whole cinnamon, 2 or 3 whole cloves. Let's add in whole cardamom. And finally, our chopped onion. We really don't want to take it down to a very, very dark color. It really has to be light and translucent. It's time to add in our ground cashew nut. We're going to mix this all together. Adding chili always comes down to a matter of preference. To create your sauce, we're using milk and fresh cream. Just going to give this a good grind of salt. And let's leave it for a few minutes while we prepare the chicken. The next component to this dish is to prepare the chicken. First we're going to add in ground cumin, a bit of fine black pepper, ground coriander powder, and some turmeric, and some coarse salt. Finally add some lemon juice over. Let's place our chicken in our roasting dish. We're going to add a few cubes of butter to this. Let's get this in the oven. It's time to bring the whole thing together. Simply light 2 pieces of charcoal. Once it comes up to a full red heat, we're going to place it into our little container and work its magic. Keep our pot lid ready in our other hand and gently drop in sunflower oil onto the coal. This is going to trap in all of that flavor, create a beautiful smell. It takes a little effort to introduce the smoking coal to the pot to achieve this effect. However, the end result of a satisfying dish with layers of complex deliciousness is well worth the effort.